हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे यूटिलिटी के बारे में। दोस्तों, यूटिलिटी इकोनॉमिक्स का एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जिसके क्वेश्चंस ना कि सिर्फ आपके 11th और 12th के एग्ज़ाम से पूछे जाते हैं, बल्कि आपके ग्रेजुएशन और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन जैसे एग्ज़ाम्स में भी इसके क्वेश्चंस पूछे ही जाते हैं, अदर इन 4 मार्क्स और अदर इन 8 मार्क्स। तो फ्रेंड्स, सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं व्हाट इज एन यूटिलिटी। सो utility is a terms in economics that refers to the total satisfaction received from consuming a good or services. For example, एक प्यासा आदमी जब उसको पानी पीने की इच्छा होती है तो वो एक गिलास पानी पिएगा तो उसका जो सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल होगा वो थोड़ा सा कम होगा। फिर वो एक गिलास पानी और पिएगा, फिर वो एक गिलास पानी और पिएगा, तो धीरे धीरे उसका जो सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल होगा वो धीरे धीरे कम होते जाएगा। इकोनॉमिक्स में उसी को कहा जाता है यूटिलिटी। नाउ अवर द नेक्स्ट क्वेरी इज अबाउट व्हाट इज एन टोटल यूटिलिटी। फ्रेंड्स, यूटिलिटी के 2 टाइप्स होते हैं, पहला टीयू एंड देन एमयू। तो पहले हम बात करते हैं टीयू के बारे में। सो टीयू रेफर्स टू द टोटल सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द कंजप्शन ऑफ all possible units of a commodity. For example, if consumption of one apple gives a person satisfaction of 10 units and consumption of another apple gives the satisfaction of 8 units, the total satisfaction from 2 apples will be, that is 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 units. If one more apple gives him the satisfaction of 6 units, then the total satisfaction becomes 10 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 24 units. Now, the second is what is MU. So, MU refers to the additional utility derived from the consumption of one more unit of a given commodity in a given time period. As in the above example, the TU increases from 18 to 20 units after the consumption of third apple. Thus, an additional 6 units are the MU driven from the third unit of apple. So, MU can be calculated as MUN is equal to TUN minus 1, where MUN is equal to marginal utility from an nth unit. So, TUN, that is total utility from n units, TUN is equal to total utility from n minus 1 units. In simple word, MU is the change in TU when more unit of a given commodity is consumed. Therefore, MU change in TU is equal to divided by change in units consumed. Now, the next query is about what is the difference between TU and MU. So, TU, in case of TU, it is the aggregate satisfaction derived from the consumption of a commodity by a consumer. But in case of marginal utility, it is the additional satisfaction derived from consuming an extra unit of a commodity by an consumer. Now, in case of general tendency, in the beginning, it increases but at a decreasing rate. But in case of MU, it tends to diminishes as more and more units of commodity are consumed. Now, the third is point of safety. So, the point of safety arrives when it is maximum in case of TU, but in case of MU, point of safety arrives where it is a 0. So, if we talk about after saturation, so in case of MU, it's tend to decrease after the point of saturation is reached, but in case of MU, it becomes negative after the point of saturation. So, if we talk about calculation, it can be calculated as the summation of marginal utility derived from all units of commodity, or in case of MU, it can be calculated as the difference between the total utility derived from the 2 success unit of commodity. Now, the formula for calculating TU is TUN is equal to U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus N terms is equal to UN. But in case of MUN, it's a very simple to calculate TU from MU is equal to TUN minus 1, that is N terms. Now, the next query is about what is the relationship between TU and MU. So as long as MU, that margin utility, is positive, then TU increase with an increase in the consumption of a commodity as MU from each successive unit diminishes. At that time TU increases but at a diminishing rate. The second relationship between TU and MU is when TU is maximum, the MU reaches at 0. TU stops growing in the phase. This point is known as the point of safety. Now, the third relationship between TU and MU is when consumption of increase beyond the point of satisfaction, then the MU becomes negative and TU start falling.